Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two powerhouse graphics cards, the PowerColor Red Devil AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. Both of these GPUs promise exceptional performance for high-resolution gaming, but they come with different architectures and features. Let's explore what makes each of these cards unique and which one might be the right choice for you. We'll look at their pricing, memory types, and cooling solutions, so stay tuned. When it comes to pricing, the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT is priced at $749, making it a more affordable option for gamers looking for high-performance graphics without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5070 Ti comes in at a higher price of $999. While the price difference is significant, it reflects the advanced features and performance capabilities of the RTX 5070 Ti. Let's see if the extra investment is worth it. Both graphics cards come with 16 GB of memory, but they differ in memory technology. The PowerColor Red Devil utilizes GDDR6 memory, which has been the standard for high-performance gaming. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5070 Ti features cutting-edge GDDR7 memory, offering higher bandwidth and improved performance for demanding applications. This advancement could make a significant difference in future-proofing your gaming setup. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The PowerColor Red Devil features a robust triple-fan cooling solution designed to keep temperatures low even under heavy loads. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5070 Ti employs a military-grade cooling design with a phase-change thermal pad, ensuring optimal thermal management and longevity. Both cards excel in this area, but the advanced features of the RTX 5070 Ti may provide an edge in extreme conditions. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT and the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5070 Ti are exceptional graphics cards, each with its strengths and weaknesses. The RX 9070 XT offers great value for its price, while the RTX 5070 Ti boasts advanced features and superior memory technology. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons and reviews.